trials of a person who has their first boat and their first set of batteries. 99% chance they will destroy them within 6 months to a year. You've got to have some, you'll really care for batteries. It's not a plug and play thing. We got the boat about a month ago. The batteries, when we ran the engine, would charge to 12.5 and then rapidly drop down to 12.2 or 2.5 or so. And if you left the boat, they'd drop down to 12.25. So the batteries obviously have got a problem. They're about a year old. They're refillable ones. Right, so story. The batteries, new batteries a year ago, and I think she's been running them down too much. And these are ones with loose tops, so you can top them up with water, and they've not been topped up for a year. So we've taken the tops off, and we're putting some distilled water in them, bringing them up to the level. Then we're going to put them back in and give them an equalising charge and see what happens. We've taken them all out, tested them all individually. They've all got the same voltage, so it's not an individual battery problem. So we now top them up with water, and we're going to hopefully find a mains charger and do an equalising charge on them, put them back in and see if they come back to life. If they don't, we have to replace them at some point. See what happens. The batteries may have come back to life. They're holding at nearly 13 volts under load. Before they would hold at 12.6 and rapidly drop to 12.2. We may have repaired the batteries. That would be nice.